Hello folks and welcome to our channel. Are you ready for some fun? Let the fun begin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and activate the bell so you can get to know about our new videos. And also don't forget to like and share if you find these videos are an added value to you. I hope that you are making use of your time as we are all locked down as the result of the current situation. Anyhow, I would like to share with you a product. This product has helped me a lot. First of all, it saved my electricity bill. Second, it increased my security. And third and foremost, it has been very environmentally friendly. This product I have recently purchased from Amazon and it was delivered to me at my doorsteps. As you can see that this product is a very small product that does magic to your home. First of all, it's a smart Wi-Fi switch on which you can control devices at your home. This product works with the eWeLink application, and how to download this application and set it up, I have put for you links to other videos that I have. As you can see on the box, that this product would enable you to work with the devices as a remote control. You can set up a timer, you could share it with other people in your house. It has also that you can create scenes by integrating more than one of these devices together. This is how the device looks like from inside. You have a part where you have the current. You put in here the input of the current, and from the other side you get the output, and in between the device acts as a switch for you from which you let the flow of the current goes from one point to another. You can also see a toggle button that you can use just in case you want to operate the switch manually, from which you can turn it on and turn it off. I will be attaching this device to one of my cords to see how can we use it. I will use the male cord and I will attach it to the input from where I will plug it in the wall socket, and on the other side I will attach it to the other side of the cord, extension cord, which is the female socket. And now I will be attaching the wires to the device and closing it so we can go ahead and test it. We will plug it to the power source and we will start the pairing. The pairing is very easy, and I have a video also for you to learn how to do the pairing using the eWeLink. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you have enjoyed our video and looking forward for hearing your feedback. And feel free to comment in the comment box.